Dreadae, day of fire, red mist rise and skies retire. Who shall stand when Jah call name? When Greece Lord walk from pit of flame. Bones will rattle, roots will cry, when blue dream break and lakes go dry. No eye shall see, no ear shall hear, but still them feel when dread draw near. Of Zion blow so low, call the faithful for the fall. Judgment come through smoke and vine, repent to earth the end of line. The Dreadae, wrath untold, they'll stir in Greece fall. Mercy begged by drum and stone, but rough like sea don't stand alone. Deals us come! Deep neath roots what your hand did mold, where light can touch and blue dream cold. A slumbering mass without from our creed, whispers in tongue none dare read. Not beast, not man, not born, just tendrils of will in shapeless form. 1,000 eyes, 1,000 screams, built from the marrow of man's worst dreams. They'll stir now, grease to boil, red smoke rise from this cursed soil. Them tree, them weep, them mountain crack, and sound of thunder echo. Sleep on the firmament, I'm all that now sleep nor relent. With jaws of grease that drip with slime, him swallow stars, him blaze the sign. Him name not written, but him breath to speak. And man shall wither if man grow weak. Oh, I and I prepare the flame for the rapture coming Janay. From the citadel where spirit throne, come council frayed and skin like stone. Them see what rise, no shape, no law, just see who bend creation's maw. Them run to the RC zone in fright, where dreams still hold, where fire still light. Morphmaster rise from shadow tree, and say them who judge I know beg me. But him heart like lava warm through grief, speak word of mercy and give relief. He draw them close, he chant the psalm, and shelter them in dread man. I'm all that nor sleep nor relent. With jaws of grease that drip with slime, him swallow stars, him blaze the sign. Him name not written, but him breath to speak. And man shall wither if man grow weak. Oh, I and I prepare the flame for the rapture coming Janay. From thick grease him serve and climb, Lord Soda reborn, rebirth in slime. Him toss now twist with spirit ash, him eye glow with fiery flash. He walk on air, him voice like dagger. Every hoof step he waddle and stagger. He chant fidels in prophet bowl, to twist the green, to steal the gold. Jungle scream and roots them snap, the blue dream spiral in shadow trap. DRC prepare the holy rite, to hold the line against endless night. For I sleep on the firmament, I'm all that nor sleep nor relent. With jaws of grease that drip with slime, him swallow stars, him blaze the sign. Him name not written, but him breath to speak. And man shall wither if man grow weak. Oh, I and I prepare the flame for the rapture coming Janay. Here now, oh dreadlock, soldier of divine, the war soon come and time draw fine. Hills rise wide in grease and smoke, and call down ash for man to choke. I and I now go, I and I now bend, till dream restored and fire in the heart of the scorched dreadland, where jungle weed and roots now stand. Morphmaster kneel upon sacred ground, a spirit council circle around. Them eyes all closed, them hands all raised, chanting tongue lost before day. The RC tribe of Zion line unite by me time. Hamslayer swing with a blade so dark, cleave through beast with a lioness spark. She whistle sharp, call beast them forth, shielding the path for the light from north. With cloak of vines and iron claws, she scratch at shadows with jungle law.
flame with fire from heart, not chasing fame. He launched blue blade from his hand, explode like thunder upon cursed land. City boy turn warlock knight, hold the dreadline against Dale's might. Dilly, now dog the mighty slug, shall be a speaker, vibe so tug. Drop rhythm bomb with a baseline wine, mash up Dale's in a dub rewind. Pole shake soil, the phone goes crack, he boom so low, the sky bend back. Iron dread with blue steel skin, stand in front where terror begin. He plant him foot in Jah's name today, spirit club against dread display. Bolt from eye, thunder chant, Zion live and fear we can't. Mojo chant, emojinet, channel hate, shift to beast at a fevered rate. Monkey form with a mind so wide, he watches slip and flip and glide. He toss blue fruit that burst in flame, laughing while in the Diacine. Sharpie scream from the sky so high, claw and dive like a judgment cry. Feathers gleam with a righteous blaze, a comet flash through the smoky haze. He strike at eyes that try to see, blind the beast with prophecy. Ben arrived on Ark of Dread, cross the river where spirits fled. With wrench and blade he mashed the boars and open up them spectral pores. He call on tools to forge new fate, from broken land rebuild just get. El Perogordo, Rotundo might, suplex chaos in midnight fight. He bounced from vines, mask a gleam, land like thunder upon boars that scream. He laugh, vamos, his fist go slam, bring belly and brawn for the warlock charm. Roots tremble, stars them blink, Morphmaster kneel by the river's brink. He chant in tongues no man did right, dark force gathered from Dreadae's night. His dreadlocks float, eyes gleam blue, he draw on earth, its score come true. Blue dream shatter, mountains quake, spirit bomb rise like Jah awake. From heart of root and soul of man, Morphmaster fling the holy plan. Explode so bright it burn the void, Dale's fall, his world destroyed. The jungle burned, the blue dream fade, no realm remain where spirits played. But in the ash a tiny sprout, a single stem of Zion showed. From sacrifice and faithful crew, Jah plant the dream fi grow anew.